So in this video, you'll learn how to back up your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So the first step is to open the Settings app, and then you want to scroll until you find Accounts and Backup. Select it. From here, you have two services you can use. You have the Samsung Cloud service, which is dependent on you having a Samsung account added onto your tablet. And then you have the Google Drive service, again, dependent on you having a Google account added onto your tablet. So if you haven't already done that, then I'll leave the videos linked in the description down below so that you can go through the process of adding either your Google account or Samsung account onto your tablet. And so once you've added them successfully, you can now choose which service you prefer to use to backup. If you're using Samsung Cloud, just tap on Backup Data under the Samsung Cloud section. And then once you've tapped on it, you need to update Samsung Cloud if you're prompted to. And then once it's updated, you can go ahead and tap on Backup Data again and go through the process of backing up your tablet. If you've chosen to use Google Drive, then you can tap on Backup Data under Google Drive like that. And then from here, you can see all the account details that you can go through when you're backing up your tablet. So you can choose to back up your apps, photos, SMS, call history, device settings, all sorts of things. Then once you've finished customizing the information that you want backed up, simply select Backup Now and wait for your tablet to be backed up onto Google Drive. And so that's how you can back up your tablet to either Google Drive or to the Samsung Cloud. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.